Hey guys, how's it going? We're going to do an unboxing of a reel. BFS. Give you a... So it's the Fishingfans Orca S3 BFS. Give you guys a quick look at the box. Bit damaged. I don't know if Ozpost done that or what. So I'll try and get this box open without stuffing it. It doesn't really matter if I don't. Fishingfans. Says Orca. Maybe it is. I've got an Orca rod right there. If it is, then that'll probably suit that rod. Finally, got it open. Let's put this down a touch. Wait a tick. No, that's not the one I thought it was. This is a spinning reel. Wow. I've got a bloody spinning reel and it should be a BFS reel. Oh, comes the priest. Let's just keep doing this review. Unboxing review. Twin handle. Comes pre-spooled with braid. It is an Orca S3. I thought it was the bloody BFS reel. I mustn't have paid for it. I mustn't have bought it. I'm just taking the screw out so I can put the handle on. It's rather long. Fishingfans badge. On the underside of the mounting, not sure what you call that. There's lots of grease in that hole. This almost feels mag alloy, but I think it might be very good plastic, whatever it's called. Oh, look at that. Only in-out play is in this one. Fair amount. Seems well balanced. Yep. The retrieve, nice and smooth. Infinite anti-reverse. Good quality bail arm. Ooh, that's a nice sound. Integrated drag dial, I think. Yeah, she's... Oh no. There's your drag clicker. There is a bearing there. That's the good clicker. As for drag, precision gear, smooth bearings, smooth unloading force. It's a 2000 size reel, 2000S. I think there was a few different types. SH, I don't know what all that means. 5.2 to 1 gear ratio and 0.25 millimeters line. You'll get 150 meters on there. 0.35 millimeter, you'll get 78 meters of line on there. Smooth. Does have a reverse switch, and that's all I can really tell you is this ain't the reel I thought it was. So uh, 4+1 bearings. It's got that cool little W cut out in it. The different line clip than I've seen before. As for drag, I don't know what the max drag is for it. Maybe 12 kilos, 10 kilos. Seems rather easy at the moment. I'm turning the buggery out of it. Oh, there we go. She's locked up. Oh no, it's not locked up. It can still go more. There we go. Ain't moving that. There you have it. Fishingfans Orca 2000 S reel S3. Might have to chuck it on my Shimano Raider and see how it goes on carp. Hooroo! Don't forget to do those. It's not the reel I was expecting. See you later.